Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna see how to use the rand function and rand between in this particular Excel. So I have a list out here. So I have a list of 8 items in here. So if I want to provide a number, any random number to this all 8 particular items, how we can do it? So first you need to select all the cells in here. You just need to press equal to rand. If you see, the rand function doesn't take any argument because the rand function always works between 0 and 1. It doesn't go below 0 and it doesn't go more than 1. So you just need to press this. You need to close the bracket and press Ctrl Enter. The moment you press Ctrl Enter, so you can see it has given us a random number between 0 and 1. Now the thing is, if you now the formula, the rand function is activated in all the cells. Now if I press here, as if I input any of the values in any cell, I'll just put 15 here. You can see all the values has changed in this particular 8 cells. So what happens is, like whenever if you're opening a workbook or if you're closing a workbook or you are inputting any value in any cell, or if we deleted this again, see all the values are changing again. So the best practice is always, whenever you are using a random function, is after the formula has been intact and you have got the values, so you need to select all the cells and just put it as paste as values, so the value doesn't get changed in here. Now this was rand function. Now what rand between does is, as the name suggests, it will give you it will generate a numbers between two specific arguments. We'll see how. So we'll just select the cells again, all 8 cells, and we'll just put in a rand between. So you see, when you activated this particular formula, it is asking for 2 arguments. Suppose we need to generate we'll generate numbers, random numbers for this 8 items between 1 and 50. Let's say 1 and 50. You will just need to press, if you press enter, you see only that cells gets the particular value, but we don't want that. So as we did for the rand function, we'll do it for rand between as well. So we'll just put a rand between 1 to 50, and you need to press Ctrl and enter. The moment you press Ctrl and enter, see it has generated a random values between this particular things for this particular 8 items. Now similarly, rand between has again a flaw. So if you put any of the values in any text, you see all the numbers changes in that particular thing. Again, if we delete it, the value changes it. So the best practice is also, when you are using, after you have generated the values for a particular list, you just select all the cells and you paste it as values, so the formula doesn't get changed in here. So this is the way you can use a rand function and rand between function. Thank you guys for watching it.